Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup on Bluehost using JetBackup and restore check step by step clearly. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Navigate to the control panel. Look for the Advanced tab. Click on JetBackup within the Advanced section. Once the JetBackup dashboard loads, you will see various backup options. Select the backup option to create a new backup. Choose the data you wish to back up. You can back up your entire account or select specific files. After making your selection, click the Generate Backup button. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, to check your backups, return to the JetBackup dashboard. Select the Backup Jobs option. Here, you will see a list of your existing backups. You can check the status and details of each backup from this list. If you need to restore from a backup, click on the Restore option. Choose the backup you wish to restore from the list. Select the specific files or databases you want to recover. After making your selection, click the Restore button. Confirm the restoration process when prompted. Wait for the restoration to complete, as this may take a few moments. Once the process is finished, you will receive a confirmation notification. Review your website or files to ensure everything is restored correctly. You have now successfully backed up and restored using JetBackup on Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.